Every morning is a new chance to practice your English. When you wake up, stretch your arms and say, "Good morning, good morning." Then smile and greet your family with "Hello, hello." If someone asks you, "How are you? How are you?" reply proudly, "I am fine. I am fine." These little greetings are the foundation of fluent English. When you meet someone new, politely ask, "What's your name? What's your name?" And when they answer, say with confidence, "Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you." This is how simple conversations begin. If you are enjoying these sentences, don't forget, like this video right now, because your support motivates me to bring more lessons for you. Now, imagine stepping outside. Someone may ask, "Where are you going? Where are you going?" And you can reply, "I am going home. I am going home." Later, your friend might ask, "How was your day? How was your day?" And you can happily say, "It was good. It was good." In your daily life, use short and clear lines, such as, "I am studying. I am studying." Or, "I am working. I am working." Maybe in the evening you say, "I am watching TV. I am watching TV." These quick sentences make communication simple and natural. At home, practice commands with your family. Tell your brother, "Open the door. Open the door." Or remind, "Close the window. Close the window." If the room is messy, say, "Clean the room. Clean the room." And when there is too much noise, tell politely, "Don't make noise. Don't make noise." If these sentences are helping you, share this video with your friends, because learning English together is more fun. Food time is always the best time to learn. When you feel like eating, say, "I am hungry. I am hungry." After hard work, "I am thirsty. I am thirsty." Before dinner, tell your family, "Let's eat dinner. Let's eat dinner." Politely ask, "Please give me water. Please give me water." And when food is served, don't forget to appreciate. The food is tasty. The food is tasty. Shopping is also full of daily English. In a store, ask, "How much is this? How much is this?" If it's expensive, say, "It's too costly. It's too costly. Then politely request, please show me something cheaper. Please show me something cheaper. Once you're happy, say, that's perfect. That's perfect. Thank you. Thank you.
Haven't subscribed yet? Do it now. Subscribe to this channel so you don't miss more useful English lessons like this. When you travel, these sentences help everywhere. Ask, where is the bus stop? Where is the bus stop? Or, how far is it? How far is it? If you need help, say, can you show me the way? Can you show me the way? And when you reach your destination, say clearly, stop here. Stop here. Your emotions are also important. If you feel good, say, I am happy. I am happy. On sad days, say, I am sad. I am sad. Busy times, I am busy. I am busy. Free time, I am free now. I am free now. Encourage your friends with don't worry. Don't worry. It's okay. It's okay. In school or office, practical sentences make a big difference. Say, I am studying English. I am studying English. Or ask, please explain it. Please explain it. If you don't understand, say honestly, I don't understand. I don't understand. For better clarity, use speak slowly. Speak slowly. Write it down. Write it down. Politeness always makes you shine. Invite others by saying, please sit here. Please sit here. Request with, please wait a minute. Please wait a minute. If you make a mistake, say, I am sorry. I am sorry. And when someone thanks you, reply warmly, you're welcome. You're welcome. Celebrate success by saying, congratulations. Congratulations. And encourage with best of luck. Best of luck.
If you are learning something new today, click like right now. It tells me to keep creating more for you. Finally, use time and daily calls in English. Ask, "What's the time?" "What's the time?" Reply, "It is 6 o'clock." "It is 6 o'clock." Tell your friends, "I am on the way." "I am on the way." Or remind, "Call me later." "Call me later." And before you sleep, say happily, "See you tomorrow." "See you tomorrow." And that's it, my friends. You just learned 100 daily use English sentences, spoken slowly, clearly, and practiced in real situations. If you practice these lines every day, your fluency will grow step by step. So, don't forget, like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more simple and powerful English lessons. This is just the beginning of your fluency journey. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, your English is improving every single day. See you in the next video. Bye for now.